Jumbo! We're on our way. Ryan, where are we headed? Well, we're on our way to the CTC site with all these workers, right, Ryan? We got a bunch of new workers. Yeah. Our Korean help. Colin, what do you think of these guys? Are going to help us out?
They're awesome.
All right. Hopefully Jeremy will get us there safe and sound. This is not advisable to ride in one of these things, but it's just a short distance. Yeah. I hope.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Barr, project manager for the new CTC project at Tenwick Hospital. This is Colin and this is Ryan working with me on the project. As you can see, we've made quite a few blocks. We've made both 150 mil blocks and 200 mil blocks. We don't have enough yet, but we've moved on to pavers, which we've started just in this year. So we have quite a few on the yard curing at the moment. Behind me is where the crane is where we're building the new apartments. We're building 20 apartments over there. Contractors on site and working, so things are moving along.
Hello everyone, I'm Colin, and with me here is my team, Jeremy and Ryan. We are working on the CTC project. Currently we are doing paving blocks, and we have also produced some concrete blocks, the 200 millimeters and the 150 millimeter blocks. So far we've done around 50,000 blocks, and we produce 1,200 blocks for the 200 millimeter blocks per day, and for the pavers we are targeting 4,200 blocks every day.
Jeremy.
Yes.
Have you lost your block?
Not yet.